I went out to the airport today and I saw this RV-6A sitting out there with a for sale sign on it. So I don't know anything about the airplane. I don't know who owns the airplane. I just know that it's sitting there at the Jasper, Georgia, Pickens County Airport for sale. And I just thought I would pass this along if you might be interested or someone you know might be interested. So I'm going to leave up the image of the for sale sign long enough so that you can copy down the particulars if you have an interest.